Just finished St Cuthbert's Junior School, putting in the synthetic turf. We took out all the old turf and just replaced it with new 13mm synthetic turf. So it's going to give the junior kids a fantastic facility. Obviously got the playground in there, and there's a bit more detail to seats to go in around the trees, etc. And we've also installed this channel drain around the edge, and that's just to prevent excess water flowing onto the turf. So the turf's come up nice and evenly. We've taken out a lot of humps and bumps that were here previously. And overall it's turned out to be a great job. Very happy with the end result, and I believe the school is as well.